Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I back today with this website here. Like you see with me, it's called Flutter, and it's an open source UI software development kit SDK created by Google. It's allowed developers to build cross-platform mobile application for iOS and Android using a single code base. Excuse me. Yeah. So you can just search about it on Google or any other browser that you prefer. I search about Flutter on Google, and you can write flutter.com if you cannot find it just with Flutter. This is the result I got after my search. I have the sponsored websites and official sites and some people questions and some similar websites here. We need the official site, that means this one, second one, because the first is just a sponsored one. Flutter build apps for any screen. Let's click on it. So once you click to the link, you get directly to the home page or the interface of the website, where you will find all the key features that you may need on Flutter, or you will find the button that where you can find the started. Okay, let's click on OK here, and some other informations right here. You need just to read them to know more about the Flutter website. So we'll come back to this page later to talk a little about this website, but first let me show you how to get started. So to do that, you need just to go over here in this blue button and click once. Now the first step is that to select the operating system on which you are installing Flutter. I do it by Windows, so I will choose the first one. So now to install the Windows for this Flutter, you need to go over here, and do you see this blue button over here? You need just to click it, and it will install from here. It's about 883 megaoctets. So for the next step, or the second step in the installation, is that one: extract the zip file and plus the contained Flutter and the desired installation location for the Flutter SDK. For example, c:/src/flutter. And we have these two warning here that do not install Flutter to a path that contains special character or space, and do not install Flutter in a directory like c:/program file/ that require elevated privileges. So this is how to install the application and get started. So now let's come back to the website or the homepage to talk a little about this website and all the services that it provides or present to us. So like you see with me here, the website is present to us the most important service on this kind of the website. It the cross-platform development. So Flutter enables developers to write code once and deploy it on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, web, desktop, and even embedded services. This saves time and effort compared to developing separate code bases for each platform. And also you will find the development here and learn, and it's also presented as the high performance Flutter applications are compiled into native code, which allows them to run at near native performance. The framework leverages Skia, a powerful 2D rendering engine for rendering graphics, resulting in smooth animation and fast rendering. And this is the learn on the development. You need just to read these small texts and become a Flutter developer and take the skills to the next level and expand your Flutter knowledge. Will be just like a training for you, free training. and this is very supports the beginners persons. And for the ecosystem, the community, the events, the culture, and also the rich ecosystem and community, the Flutter has a growing and active community of developers, providing access to a wide range of libraries, packages, and tools. The Flutter ecosystem offers solutions for state management, networking, database integration, and more, making it easier to build complex applications. And this is some or the drivers of the network of Flutter developers. We have also some pictures here. It show us some Flutterists, some individuals who identify as women or non-binary and have an interest in Flutter. And for the showcase here, you will find the supports here. The supports for the material design and Cupertino. The Flutter provides comprehensive supports for both material design, Google's design language, and Cupertino, Apple's design language, allowing developers to create apps that look and feel native to each platform. And for the Dart programming language that we see before, the Flutter uses Dart, a modern and object-oriented language developed by Google. Dart features familiar syntax and offers powerful features such as AOT, that mean ahead of time, and GIT, that mean just in time, compilation, garbage collection, and strong type interface. And like you see with me in this key feature, we will find this hot reload here. And let me tell you that one of the standout features of Flutter is the hot reload functionality, which allows developers to see the change made to the code reflected instantly in the app's UI. This significantly speeds up the development process and facilitates rapid iterations and experimentation. Excuse me for the word, it's a little hard. So you need just to read how it works to get to really understand. So that's our website today. I hope you like it and I hope you guys understand. So if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like websites over here. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you're still in good health until that time.